Imagine this, you're in Jamaica, the sun is shining, the reggae music is playing, and cars are flying. Yes, you heard it right, flying cars. It might sound like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's closer to reality than you might think. We're at the threshold of a monumental shift, the era of flying cars. Around the world, leading tech companies and automobile giants are already testing prototypes, and some countries have begun to draft regulations for these futuristic vehicles. The dream of zipping through the sky, bypassing traffic and reducing travel time significantly is becoming more tangible by the day. So what if I told you that this might be the future of transportation in Jamaica? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Jamaica, known for its vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes, might soon add flying cars to its list of attractions. Imagine cruising through the skies, the iconic Jamaican sunset painting a picturesque backdrop as you zoom past the Blue Mountains. The advent of flying cars could revolutionize Jamaica's transportation system. The daily commute could be transformed from tedious traffic jams into thrilling flights, making the phrase, "as the crow flies," a tangible reality. But the impact wouldn't stop at transportation. The economy could also experience a significant boost. The development and maintenance of these flying vehicles could create numerous job opportunities, contributing to a surge in the country's economic growth. Tourism, one of Jamaica's main revenue sources, could also reach new heights, quite literally. Tourists might soon be able to explore the island's beauty from a bird's-eye view, adding a whole new dimension to their Caribbean vacation. Of course, this futuristic vision doesn't come without its challenges. Safety regulations, infrastructure development, and environmental considerations are just a few of the hurdles to overcome. Yet the benefits, faster travel times, reduced road congestion, and a boost in tourism, might just make these challenges worth tackling. So as we envision a future where vehicles no longer remain bound to the earth, where the sky is not just the limit but the new route, we can't help but feel a rush of excitement. The thought of flying cars might seem straight out of a science fiction novel, but remember, many of today's realities were once considered fiction. Now you might be wondering, how close are we to this futuristic vision? We are not just dreaming. The world of flying cars isn't as far off as you might think. As we speak, myriad companies worldwide are laboring diligently to turn this seemingly far-fetched idea into a reality. Take, for instance, the American company Terrafugia. They've already developed a prototype, the Transition, a roadable aircraft that can both fly and drive. The Transition is designed to fit into a standard household garage and can be fueled at your local gas station. Imagine that, a flying car parked right next to your family SUV. But it doesn't end there. Over in Germany, a company called Volocopter is making strides with their air taxi model. This electrically powered multicopter is designed to ferry passengers over short distances, a concept that could revolutionize urban mobility and potentially help alleviate traffic congestion. Meanwhile, in Japan, the country's Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry has launched the Flying Car Council. This group of experts is tasked with establishing a roadmap for the development and practical application of flying cars. So what about Jamaica? Well, the Jamaican government has not yet announced any specific plans to bring flying cars to the island. However, given the rapid advancements in this technology, it's not too far-fetched to anticipate that flying cars might be zipping over the Jamaican skies sooner than we think. The University of the West Indies, for example, is known for its commitment to fostering innovation and could potentially play a key role in researching and developing this technology locally. These developments across the globe are exciting, aren't they? They demonstrate that the concept of flying cars is not merely a product of science fiction, but a tangible reality that is unfolding before our very eyes. So, the question remains, are we ready for flying cars in Jamaica? Flying cars in Jamaica may seem like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it might soon become a reality. Imagine this for a moment, a Jamaica where the skies are filled with a ballet of flying cars zipping through the air, transporting people to their destinations in breathtaking style. It's a tantalizing vision, isn't it? Now, you might be asking, when can we expect this to happen? Well, given the current pace of innovation in the field of flying cars, it's not too far-fetched to think that we could see the first flying cars in Jamaica within the next 2 decades. Yes, you heard it right, 2 decades, that's within our lifetime. This is not just about the sheer thrill of flying cars, it's about what this could mean for the people of Jamaica. With flying cars, commuting times could be drastically reduced. Imagine being able to fly from Kingston to Montego Bay in a fraction of the time it currently takes by road. It could open up new opportunities for business, tourism, and even education. But it's not just about the practical benefits. It's about how flying cars could transform the very identity of Jamaica. This is a country known for its vibrant culture, its music, its food, and its spirit. Now, add flying cars to that mix. Jamaica could become a beacon of innovation, a symbol of a future where technology and tradition blend in harmony. Of course, there will be challenges: infrastructure, regulations, safety. These are all issues that need to be addressed. But given the resilience and creativity of the Jamaican people, there's every reason to believe that they can rise to the occasion. Jamaica, with flying cars, could be a sight to behold, don't you think? Flying cars in Jamaica? It's a thrilling prospect, isn't it? As we've explored today, this seemingly far-off concept may not be as distant as we think. We've taken a glimpse into the future, investigating how flying cars could revolutionize transportation on this beautiful island. We've delved into the current developments in this fascinating field, looking at how technology and innovation are paving the way for these extraordinary vehicles. But the real excitement lies in the future. Can you imagine the impact of soaring above the traffic, gliding through the skies, and experiencing the breathtaking views of Jamaica from a whole new perspective? It's a scenario that could transform not just how we travel, but how we live. Flying cars could be a game changer for Jamaica, boosting tourism, improving connectivity, and opening up a world of possibilities. But what's most exciting is that this future is within our grasp. What are your thoughts on this? Can you picture yourself flying around Jamaica in a car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.